It's just love. Source for International.
Hello students, welcome to the SourceFort learning session. SourceFort, one of the leading names, helps the students in their life goals through schooling, sports and life skills. And here I am going to start the science for the grade 3 with the chapter parts of the plant. In the previous class we have learned about types of plants and few parts of the plants with their function. Now let us discuss about other parts of the plant with their functions. In last class we have discussed about root, kinds of roots, stem, its functions, the leaves and different types of leaves, structure of leaves, functions of leaf. And we have discussed few lines about stomato. What is the stomato? The holes in the leaf which take it carbon dioxide and leave out oxygen, that is air, is called stomato. How we can see the stomato? Can we see by through the eyes? No. We should use the microscope to see the holes like thing in the leaf. That holes we call it as stomato. The leaves use sunlight from the sun, carbon dioxide from the air, and the water which is taken by the roots in the soil, and use all these three to make the food for the plant. Which makes food for the plant? Yes, the leaf make food for the plant using sunlight, carbon dioxide and water. Using these three, the leaf prepare food to all other parts of the plant. What does the leaves do? As I said, it prepares food for the leaf, so food for the plant. So we call them as food factory of the plant. The leaf breathes in air called carbon dioxide and breathes out oxygen. What all we breathe? We breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. Here are the plants which gives us oxygen to breathe. The leaf takes in energy from the sun and turns into the energy for the plant. And here some of the leaves we can see which stores the food in them. In spinach, lettuce and cabbage, the leaves store the food in them. And these leaves we take as food for us to eat. Which part of this we eat? It is the leaf part. And next we can discuss about flower. Flower, one of the beautiful part of the plant. We can see not all the plants bear flower. Only some plants bear flower and the other do not bear the flower. We can see different types of flowers in different plants, is it? Which will be varying in their sizes and colors also. And there will be different smell also. The flowers in different plants have different smell. How does the flower grow? The flower first starts growing into a bud and then blooms step by step like this. Here we can see in the example to bud to the big flower. And from flower, fruits develop. Fruits with the seeds are developed from the flower. And here is the flower which stores food in them. Here we can see broccoli, cauliflower, artichoke, which we take as our food. This part flower of the plant, we take it as food. And many flowers have a liquid called nectar in them. For that nectar, insects like butterfly, honeybee attract to the flower and takes the nectar from the flower. And the nectar collected from the bees is collected in the honeycomb. We can see the honeycomb here, which is converted to the honey. In honeycomb, we'll get the honey. And the other part of the plant we can discuss about is fruit. Most plants have fruit in it. We can see most plants have fruit. Not all the plants, only some of the plants we can see fruits bearing. And fruits are developed from where? As we discussed in the flower, fruits are developed from the flowers. What all does the fruit contain? Fruit contain seeds in it. Different plants have different fruits which varies in sizes, colors and taste too. And the fruit protect the seed inside it. Where we can find the seed? The seed will be inside the fruit. We can see here most of the fruits have seed within, and the innermost of the fruit is called the seed. These seed help to produce the new plant. Where will be the seed? Inside the fruit which has a new plant in it. Here is the mango which has only one seed, that is single seed. And here we can see the watermelon which has multiple seeds. And here is the banana which has no seeds. And we can take some of the fruits like apple, mango, orange and grapes as our food. And next we can discuss about seeds. Seeds is the part of the plant where we get the seeds from the fruit. Where will be the seeds? Inside the fruits. Here you can see the papaya having multiple seeds. Most plants are grown from the seeds. How will be the most plants grown? If we sow a seed, a small baby plant grow from it and grow into a seedling and then to a plant. Here we can see a small baby plant inside it. When the baby seed is sown into the soil, and if it gets enough water and warmth, it grows into a baby plant. The plants store food in their seeds, and the food is used by the baby plant when it grows. Where does the plant store food? In the seed. This part we call it as food store, and the outside coat is called seed coat. And this the baby plant we call embryo. And here grows the first leaf which come out from the seed. This is the first leaf. When we sow in the soil and keep in moist and water it, the first leaves come out. And here are some of the seeds we take as food, like many nuts: almond, hazelnut, cashew, peanut, pistachio, pine nut, Brazil nut, macadamia, chestnut, walnut, pecan nut, nutmeg, cocoa, coffee, coconut and pinolo nut. These are all the seeds we store food in it, and we take them as our food. And here is the topic, parts of the plant and their function we saw. And thank you for the class.